Hello everyone. Welcome to the video tutorial of Document Management System. Agenda. Today in this training video, I will tell you about the concept of an auto-upload app and how it works along with an example. Objectives. Objective of this training is to understand following. What does the auto-upload app include? What is the purpose of using it? How to upload documents in DMS by using AutoUpload App. How they help in DMS working. Prerequisites. To perform this activity, the user must have tenant account and admin role with organization access. In addition to this, the user must have completed the setup of the AutoUpload app by installing it on their system. AutoUpload app. The AutoUpload app enables users to efficiently upload large numbers of documents from their computer to the DMS. If a user has multiple files stored locally, they can use the app to automatically transfer them to the DMS web form. To do this, the user simply places the documents in a designated folder on their computer and maps that folder to the auto-upload process. For example, if a user has 50 invoices saved on their computer, they can place them in a folder, link that folder to the AutoUpload app, and the files will be uploaded to the DMS automatically. Now, we will understand the process of document upload by using AutoUpload app in more detail by navigating to the Onfinity system. Please log into system using tenant account and admin role with organization access. Once logged in, please open DMS web form from the menu. A form will open. The user clicks on Add Folder icon and enters the name of the folder, for example, Finance Invoices. Click OK to create the folder successfully. Now, let's understand how to open AutoUpload app on the user's local system. To open the AutoUpload app, the user must access the C drive on their local system and navigate to the Program Files, x86 folder. Inside this folder, open the Vienna directory. Within the Vienna folder, locate the folder named AutoUpload Service Setup. When the user clicks this Setup folder, multiple related files become visible on their local system. Next, the user should double-click the AutoUpload app.exe file. This action will open the AutoUpload application successfully on their local system. To view the AutoUpload app, click the hidden icons on the taskbar and locate the AutoUpload app icon. Click the icon and select Open to successfully open the application on the user system. Once the AutoUpload app is open, the user must enter the log and details to access the application. Enter the relevant details as follows. First field is Web Server Address. The user enters the URL of their designated server link. Next field is Username and Password. Enter the login credentials of the designated link. Click the Login button. After clicking the Login button, the subsequent fields will be enabled. Select the appropriate role, client, and organization details from the available options. Then, click the Next button. It will navigate the user to the Link Folder tab. First, the user selects the source folder path on their local system where the files to be uploaded are located. Click the Add button, then choose the folder containing the documents. For example, the user can navigate to This PC, Desktop, and select the Upload Documents folder. Click OK to confirm the selection. Next, select the destination folder path where the documents should be uploaded in the DMS. Click the Add button. Enter the folder name in the search box, for example, Finance Invoices, and select the folder. Then click OK. The selected folder will now be visible in the destination folder path. Next, select the document category from the drop-down. This indicated that whenever the documents are uploaded to the DMS through AutoUpload app, the selected category will be attached. For now, I am not selecting any category. Next, enabling the Sync subfolder checkbox indicates that any documents in subfolders of the source folder will also be automatically uploaded to the DMS. For now, I am marking this checkbox false. Next field is Keep Version. The user selects an option from the drop-down to manage the duplicity of documents in selected folder. There are three options as follows. If document exists, then return. This option will return the document without uploading if the system finds a document with same name in the same folder. It will display an error message in the Upload Document History screen, indicating document exists already. If document exists, then create new document. If any duplicate document found, then system will upload the document and append the date and time with new document name. If document exists, then create new version. In this option, the system will create a new version of the existing document if the document is already available. For now, I am selecting the default option, that is, if document exists, then create new document. After entering all the details, click the Save button to apply the settings. Once the changes are saved, a new line will appear in the AutoUpload app. Next, the user should click Finish button and then click Hide button. To verify, the user goes to the desktop and open the Upload Documents folder, which contains 50 documents. Then, click Show Hidden Icons and select the AutoUpload app. The user will see that the upload process is in progress, indicating that the AutoUpload app is actively running. Navigate to the DMS web and select the Finance Invoices folder to see the documents are still uploading. Once all documents are uploaded successfully, the AutoUpload app displays a message confirming that the upload process is complete. If any errors occur during the upload, they can be viewed in the error log. Click on Error Log to see the details. For example, the Fujikura core alignment document was not uploaded because it contains special characters, which are not allowed in the DMS. Click the cross icon to close the error log. Refresh the folder by clicking on it. You will see that 49 documents have been uploaded successfully, while one document remains not uploaded due to special characters. So, in this video, it demonstrates the functionality of the AutoUpload app, which allows users to efficiently upload a large number of files at once directly into the system. Thank you.